Hi, Dennis Ray here. This is TinyTask, a small, portable, and free Windows automation tool. It can record your mouse movements and keystrokes that are repetitive tasks, then plays them back exactly how you originally did them. It remembers your clicks, repeats them perfectly without lifting a finger. You can get it from TinyTask's website or from MajorGeeks.com. I'll show you how to download it a bit later. This is what the program looks like. There really isn't much to it. The open button to open any recordings you've made. The save button to save your recordings. The record button to start and stop recordings. The play button to preview your recording before saving it or to play saved recordings. The execute file button for making your recording an execute file rather than just a saved recording. A word about execute file recordings. I made one a couple weeks ago and it works very well. But since then, Windows 11 had its once a month update. Now any new execute file recordings I make don't work, but your results may be different. And last, there is the preference button. This is what the preference window has. Playback speed. The default for custom is 8, but you can change it to what you want. Like I changed mine to 5. And you can set it anywhere between 1 and 100. 100 is crazy fast. The rest of the settings are pretty well self-explanatory. For instance, making your own hotkeys. You should like this video and subscribe to this channel because it helps to keep the channel alive and it helps you to keep up with information about the best software that's useful for you. Thanks. Here's an example of a recording I use. I recorded the settings I made to use with SwordSoft Mouse Track, which has a few different functions, but I mainly use a cursor highlighter function. You can use SwordSoft Mouse Track for free, but it does not save your settings unless you pay to register it. So each time I use it, I had to redo the settings I want. I recorded the setting process, making it a lot easier to use. By the way, I made a video about SwordSoft Mouse Track. Check out the link above or see the link in the description below. I'll play my recording so you can see it in action. The first thing I do is hit the open button in TinyTask. That opens up the file folder, and then I'll select SwordSoft Mouse Track Recording, tell it to open, and then hit the play button in TinyTask. The recording starts selecting the settings I wanted in SwordSoft Mouse Track, playing at my custom speed of 5. Now I have SwordSoft Mouse Track working very well with the settings I want, and all done with TinyTask. Since recording or saving execute file recordings may not always work, I would advise you that when using TinyTask, save your recording as a regular TinyTask file rather than an execute file. The regular recording files save and worked every time without a problem, and besides, I see no advantage of an execute file over a recording file. Let's show an example of making a recording. To make a recording, I'll go into TinyTask, hit the record button, and also have what I want to record up, and so I can go through all the steps or settings that I want to make in the recording. So since I mentioned SwordSoft Mouse Track, we'll record downloading the program. Recording is in progress. Now using TinyTask, I'm playing the recording at double speed. Here are some of the pros of using TinyTask. It's free, lightweight, and portable, so you don't need to install it on your PC. It has an extremely simple interface. It saves tons of time, and it's very easy to use. Here are some cons of using TinyTask. It has no advanced scripting, only works on Windows, can be tricky if you change your screen resolution. Execute files don't always work right, And if playing back a recording too fast, it can miss some steps. This is where to get TinyTask, first at the TinyTask website. And I'll put links for the websites I talk about in the description below. Tells you a little bit about the program there. It asks for donations, and I would advise you to maybe give a donation because that helps to keep a nice program alive. This is the download link to download TinyTask. If you hit these two links, you won't get TinyTask. You'll get Remouse instead, which is a paid version that has more features. But we're only interested in downloading TinyTask, so use this link. And also, you can go to the download website. Here on the download page, you can download TinyTask using either one of these two links. Once again, do not use these links because that will get you Remouse instead. So use these two links for TinyTask. Or you can use this website, Major Geek's website for TinyTask. It has plenty of information there for your reading pleasure. These are the links that you can use to download TinyTask. And once you've downloaded it, double click on it to open it. Because it's portable, you can keep it on a USB stick or on your desktop or any folder and launch it anytime. So that's TinyTask, a tiny program with a huge impact. If you're into free tools and automation, this one's a must try. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.